Hello children, Sun Academy, Palikarnai. This is class 5 mathematics chapter 9, that is percentage. Learning objectives: convert between percentage, fraction and decimal, then find percentage of a number. In this video we are going to just learn about changing fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction, the vice versa. Now here, what do you mean by percent? Here I am showing the sheet of paper that was divided by 100 equal squares. In that 100 equal squares, 30 squares are shaded. So I will call it as 30 out of 100 squares are shaded. In other words, I will call it as 30% squares are shaded. Why I am using percent means percent comes from Latin word per centum, which means out of 100. Out of 100 is otherwise called it as percent. So here instead of 30 out of 100, I can use it as 30%. The percent is denoted by the symbol, like as I am showing the symbol in the screen, that is the symbol for the percent. Here how many squares are unshaded? You will just say it as 70 out of 100. Otherwise you can just say the percent as 70% squares are unshaded. So instead of out of 100, you can just use the word as percent. Now here, expressing fractions as percentage, we are going to change fraction into a percentage. We are having two methods in this. I am going to just explain both the two. The first method is the example I have given. Express 1 by 4 as a percent. You are going to convert 1 by 4 is a fraction. You are going to convert this into a percent. So for this, just you are going to find an equivalent fraction with 100 as the denominator. You are going to just change the denominator as 100. Here the question is 1 by 4. 4 is in the denominator. You are going to convert this 4 as 100, means when you are multiplying you will get 100. 4 into 25 you will get it as 100. So just multiply 25 in the both numerator as well as the denominator. So 1 into 25 by 4 into 25, you will get it as 25 by 100, that is 25 out of 100. You can just say 25 out of 100 in the other words, that is 25%. So I have changed 1 by 4 as percent. 1 by 4% is 25%. The another method is just you are going to multiply the given number of given fraction by 100. So here the fraction is 2 by 5 they have given. Just you are going to multiply that 2 by 5 by 100%. So 2 by 5 into 100%. You can just cross multiply. 5 and 100 will come in the common table, 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. So you will get 2 into 20%. When you are multiplying, you will get 40% as your answer. So 2 by 5 has 40%. So you can use any method which is easy for you. Now the next is we are going to change the percentage to fraction. The equation will be given in the percentage. You are going to find out the answer. This is very easy to find out the answer. Just you are going to divide it by 100. So here the first question is 36%. You already know the 36%. Just you are going to divide it by 100. 36% means you can write it as 36 by 100, that is 36 out of 100. So I have written 36 out of 100. Just you can reduce the 36 out of 100. You can reduce by 4 table. Commonly you can just reduce by the 4 table. 4 9s are 36 and 4 25s are 100. You can just reduce as much as you can. So you will get the answer as 9 by 25. So 36% has 9 by 25 in that. Now the next example is 28%. 28% means 28 out of 100. So 28 by 100, you can just reduce 28 by 100 by the common table. 4 table I will take. So 4 7s are 28 and 4 25s are 100. you will get the answer as 7 by 25. I can't able to reduce the 7 by 25 anymore, so your final answer is 7 by 25. So you converted the percentage to fraction. Thank you children.